Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shan Mugraj. I'm continuing my efforts on producing videos in the areas of project management, agile and leadership. Today we're going to continue our journey on organization project management. Essentially, we're going to get some introduction about OPM framework. This particular picture gives an idea about four core elements of OPM. The main element is OPM governance, and it supersets OPM methodology. So OPM methodology, which is a core element in OPM framework, which is a subset of your OPM governance. In addition to these two, we have talent management and knowledge management. Let's look at each four in detail. What is OPM methodology? It is a system of practices, techniques, procedures, and rules used in OPM. Right? So you need to build practices, tools and techniques, required standard operating procedures to be used in project management specific to a particular organization. So it's a system of all these attributes or elements, I would say that. The second one is knowledge management. Knowledge management is about creating, sharing, and use of experience, values, beliefs, intuition, and insights to address the needs of the organization. So it's about a people, it's about creating knowledge, it's about sharing the knowledge, it's about applying the knowledge, right? By utilization of experiences, values, and beliefs and insights to address the needs of an organization, right? Your program and portfolios and project management, it's addressing the needs of it. That is where you need knowledge people, professionals, project management professionals who have experiences, right? Who can create and share the knowledges and application of the practices and everything. The third one is talent management. Talent management is an approach to retaining and developing its people with regard to performance, knowledge, and competency. It's not about only the knowledge management, you need to build your talent also, right? Right? So your people should be capable of applying knowledge, competence wise they should be capable, performance wise they should be improving, right? So you need to build a talent management, right? You need to have practices to retain and develop your talent management, right? The fourth one is OPM governance. So governance is all about framework and functions and processes for OPM activities for the alignment of your programs and portfolios with the strategic objectives. So OPM governance play a platform role. It gives you a framework and required functions and practices and processes, required methodologies for helping you to executing your programs and portfolios to align with your strategic needs. Let's look all these four core elements in a little more detail as well. The first one is OPM methodology. Let's understand what is methodology. Methodology is a system of practices, techniques, procedures and rules for a specific discipline. If it is for a project management discipline, we call that as a project management methodologies. If it is for OPM, it is called OPM methodologies, right? So OPM methodologies are aiming to provide advice, directions, knowledge, and instructions within a specific organization. So OPM is for a project management methodologies specific to organization. OPM methodologies is it's providing advices and directions on portfolio, program, and project management, right? Uh, areas, and it is relevant to specific organizational backgrounds and needs. So you need to contextualize OPM methodologies based on your organizational backgrounds, leadership, culture, and needs. The second one is knowledge management. Knowledge management is a concept involving an organizational deliberate, focused efforts and efficient handling of knowledge assets to generate, collect, organize, and analyze this knowledge in terms of documentation, storage, resources, and people skills and competences. Right. So it should support OPM for effective execution of the portfolio or program and project management activities. Knowledge management focus on continuous improvement, improved performance, innovation, and shared lessons learned. Right. So it's about the building a platform which helps people to share the learnings, get into an innovation culture, continuous improvement and performance. The third one is talent management. Talent management ensures individuals have required knowledge, right? So we have knowledge management, we have knowledge platform in place. Talent management ensure that people are acquiring that knowledge, either way of training or self-learning, whatever the way it is. It's not only ensuring that people have knowledge. It's more than that. It's about application of knowledge and the personal behaviors, leadership styles to increase the likelihood of program project delivery to meet the objectives, right? So by applying, right, these acquired knowledges, teams should be able to increase the project results. They should deliver results faster, cheaper, and better. The competence of portfolio and program and project manager include three categories. There is a knowledge competence where people know how to apply tools and knowledge, practices and techniques for the program execution. There is a performance competence. People apply of knowledge to meet stakeholders' requirement and deliver results. You should know what are the KPIs, what is the business outcomes of your program, and leaders and program managers should be able to apply the performance competence. There is the third one is a personal competence where it includes the behavior and attitude, ethics, professional contact, and leadership styles for the execution of your programs and portfolio. The final one is the OPM governance. OPM governance is a framework to align portfolio program and project management practices to meet the organizational strategic and operational goals. Right? So OPM governance to be developed vertically for each organization unit and also horizontally so that it cuts across all the verticals, cuts across all the project managers and programs and portfolios to bring the harmony and everything to the organization specific. It encompasses entire organization, right? Open governance is not for a specific project or a program. It is for in its entirety of an organization itself. And OPM governance complies with OPM principles. Yesterday we talked about 6 principles of OPM, right? You should be having outcome based, you should understand the business value, you should have the business case, all those things we understood, right? So OPM governance should comply with the 6 OPM principles for the consistency of planning, design and execution, delivery by portfolio programs and projects. Finally, OPM governance fosters a tailored approach. You need to be able to contextualize your governance to suit the organization culture, environment and regulatory factors. Right. So with that, we have come to a conclusion of today's video. Hope you got fair idea about what is OPM framework and what are its core elements. We talked about 4 core elements which include OPM methodologies, knowledge management, talent management and OPM governance. Right. So hope you like this video. Let me know your ideas and thoughts on my improvement areas. I would like to listen from you. I'll be producing in detail about OPM framework and OPM governance aspects in my future videos in near future, maybe within a week or two. Right. So thanks a lot for your time. Take care. Bye bye.